lover. We could let our friends crash in the living room. This is our place, we make the call. And I'm highly suspicious that everyone